In this video, you will learn how to fix Telegram not showing contacts on Android. Many people face this issue when they try to find friends or family on the app. It can be frustrating when your contacts do not appear as expected. But don't worry, I have some simple steps to help you solve this problem quickly. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find Apps. Go ahead and tap on that thing. In this section, tap on the search button at the top right corner. Type in Telegram and hit search. When you see Telegram in the search results, select it to open its app info page. Now, tap on Permissions. This will show you what access rights are currently granted to Telegram. Scroll through this list and look for Contacts. Tap on Contacts and select Allow. It's crucial that Telegram has permission to access your contacts. After allowing contact permissions, exit out of Settings. Open up Telegram and tap on three lines at the top left corner. From this menu, select Settings. In Settings, look for an option called Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Scroll all the way down until you find an option labeled Sync Contacts. If this option is disabled, indicated by a grayed out switch, simply toggle it on. Once enabled, this should resolve any issues related to missing contacts. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, adjusting permissions, and enabling contact sync, you should now see all your contacts in Telegram without any hassle. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.